आपके लिए लेसन बना रहा हूँ। उसमें पहले इंग्लिश की रीडिंग है, फिर फास्ट रीडिंग है, फिर फोनेटिक्स वाली रीडिंग है, और फिर उस पोएम का या उस लेसन का हिंदी में अनुवाद है। और उसके बाद जो है हम क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करते हैं। इसी एक वीडियो में आपको ये सब कुछ मिलेगा। ओके, हेलो चिल्ड्रन, today we are going to read a beautiful poem, a melodious poem, Run. And all the children like to run. Okay, let us, without wasting the time, let us do one thing. Read the interesting poem, Run. Okay, first of all, I will read word to word of this poem, and after that I will recite it with fast fluency and then translate it into Hindi so you can better understand. Okay, now let us listen the poem and see the words very carefully. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away. Merry dawn. So, my dear student, this is all about the poem, and again I will recite it with fast fluency. Okay, now you listen the speed. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. Now we can translate this poem in Hindi. Away from the city, हम शहर से बहुत दूर. And into the sun, और कैसे हैं, रोशनी में हैं. Out to the country, run, 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 और हम बाहर हैं. कंट्री यहाँ पे गांव है, उससे बाहर हैं और हम दौड़ रहे हैं. Run in the raindrops, और कब दौड़ रहे हैं, जब पानी बरस रहा है. Run neath the trees, और जो छाया होती है उसके चारों तरफ हम उसके अंदर, पेड़ की छाया के अंदर रन कर रहे हैं. रन लिटिल रेसेस, और थोड़ी दौड़ भी लगा रहे हैं. विद ईच लिटिल ब्रीज, और किसके साथ, ठंडी हवाओं के साथ. रन डाउन द हिल साइड, और हम पहाड़ों के वहाँ पर भी दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. रन अप द लेन, और वो जो पगडंडियाँ होती है उन पे दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. रन थ्रू द मिडो, द रन बैक अगेन, और वो जो पगडंडियाँ हैं उन पे ऊपर नीचे हम दौड़ लगा रहे हैं. रन एंड बी मैरी, हम दौड़ लगा के खुश हैं. मैरी मतलब यहाँ पे जॉय. ऑल थ्रू द डे, पूरे दिन हम यही करते हैं. रन टू द कंट्री, अब हम कहाँ, वापस गांव जा रहे हैं. अवे अवे अवे. ओके, रेन ड्रॉप्स, यू नो, पानी की बूंदे. नीथ यानी बीनीथ यानी आसपास. ब्रीज यानी ठंडी हवा. हिल साइड यानी पहाड़ की तरफ. मिडो यानी बीच में, जो पगडंडियाँ होती है, मैरी यानी मतलब जॉय. ओके, नाउ यू सी द पिक्चर. This is the picture and the children are running here and there and they are running behind each other. What does the poem tells us to do? The poem tells us to run. Okay, write about the places where the poet wants to run. Hillside, underneath the ground, underneath the trees, and in the meadow. Okay, the children, they were running here and there. Okay, now let us talk. Do you like to play and run about? Why? Yes, we all like to play and run about because we enjoy when we are running. Running is a very good exercise. Name any 3 games that you can play in which you have to run. You know, baraf pani and hide and seek. We also run in the hide and seek. Okay, when you run fast, what do you feel in happening to your body? Maybe heartbeat increase. Okay, we become thirsty. Okay, sweating come out from the body. Okay, sweating of the body, these types of things. Say loudly: beneath, breeze, meet, fear, each, meadow. And these are the words in which we can use 2 things, 2 alphabets, double E and EA. So first of all, double E, trees. Please, Please, EASE. And now it is tease. It is teach. Sleep. So SLEEP and BEEP, FEET, MEET. So here in the first line we can write mostly EA, and here in the second side it is double E. So we can make all the words. Feet. This is exercise time. Okay, jump, hop, march and tiptoes. This is answer the following question by looking at the picture and opposite. What is happening in the picture 5? The girl is diving into the water. Picture 5. Where is picture 5? I don't know. Okay. What is Mohan practicing in the picture 4? Where the picture 4? Oh yes, here. Okay. So picture 4 is, yes, jumping, high jump. In picture 4, Anil and his friends pulling. In the picture 3, they are dash pulling. They are pulling the ropes. Okay, and each other. Where are the boat racing in the picture 2? So in picture 2, they are racing in the ocean. And what are the girls doing in the picture 6? Picture 6, they are swimming. The girls are, they are swimming. Now you can, this is next lesson, so we can prepare it for after some time. Okay, thank you so much for listening me. And children, I am requesting you, please listen it very carefully 2 or 3 times. Then you are able to understand the meaning and the sense of this poem and you are able to make the sentences. I think all of you understand. Thank you.